Hi everyone, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to do something very different, very nice, guys. You should be enjoying today's video, and the title of today's video would be why you shouldn't use Builderall to create your affiliate page. Sounds interesting, right? Watch the whole video, guys. I can bet you that it is much more interesting than the title itself. There's a lot of input in today's video, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video, because we will be giving you a different alternative that you can go ahead and opt in, an alternative that we have actually tried out, and we feel that that is actually very useful, very great for us, and that's why we're going to give you this alternative as well. So watch the video till the end, and I hope that you really enjoy today's video. So let's begin, everybody. Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about why you shouldn't use Builderall. Let me be very specific over here. I'm not saying that you should not use Builderall in overall whatever landing page or sales funnels that you are creating. I'm going to be very specific in today's video on why you shouldn't use Builderall to create an affiliate page, an affiliate landing page, and that's what this video is going to be. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you another alternative that you can opt in, substitution of the Builderall itself. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first major reason on why you should not use Builderall is because of the bad user experience and user interface that Builderall actually gives out. If you don't believe me, you can actually go ahead and check out in Google the Builderall's review. You can actually find a lot of negative comments regarding the user experience. And when we talk about user interface, the dashboard of the Builderall is absolutely awful. Personally, I'm telling you from my personal view, I feel that the dashboard of Builderall is super awful. It's really hard to navigate, and it's not beginner friendly at all. And this is one of the major reasons why users actually goes from Builderall to another landing page builder. It's not said by me, it's said by a lot of other people as well. So the second reason on why we should not use Builderall is because of the limited features. Now let me just be straight with you guys. Builderall has a lot of unique and cool features that you can actually use, but then most of the features that Builderall has is not within Builderall itself. Like they recommend, they actually partnership with certain features, certain companies which provide a particular feature. That is why Builderall has a very limited features, but they do still have a lot of cool and additional features that you can actually go ahead and talk about the pros about Builderall. You can say that their features are cool and unique and all this kind of stuff, but at the same time they have very limited features. The third reason is that Builderall is trying to be the jack of all trades and master of none, which means that the Builderall doesn't focus on a specific objective. Like, I don't know about building a landing page software in specific, but let's say you want to create a business, you want to create a software, you should address a problem with a specific solution. I mean, that's the basic of creating a startup or creating a company, right? But Builderall tries to be a jack of all trade and master of none. They try to focus on a lot of things, but they do not specific on a very specific objective that they have to solve. And other landing pages builder actually does this, and this is why they top out Builderall. And also when we talk about Builderall's cons, this is something that we should definitely mention over here, that the Builderall has a very bad support management. What I do mean by support management, if you actually go ahead and reach their support, you won't get a response in time. There's no live chat within Builderall. There's a lot of things that I can go on, guys. The list can go on and on. I'm not saying that everything is bad about their support, but certain things are really bad, and I feel that a company like so experienced like Builderall, they should actually actually so reputable like Builderall, they should actually enhance their bad customer support, because they should know that customer support is always a backbone of a company, guys. And the next one is Builderall is not responsive. It's not web responsive. The last time I used Builderall, you can't even import it into a WordPress. I don't know whether you can do it now or not, but previously you cannot even import it into a WordPress. It's not responsive. You have to change the design. If you want to design for, let's say you designed your landing page for mobile, and then when you want to design it for PC, you have to change the whole thing again, and for tablet you need to change the whole thing again, and the list goes on like this, which is very bad. And now we have talked about all the bad stuff regarding Builderall, right? Like I told you always, guys, now I'm not saying that Builderall is totally everything bad, but I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so we focus on the thing which is bad. Definitely Builderall has a lot of good features as well, but if you're looking at an alternative that you want to use rather than using Builderall, you should definitely consider Landerize. The link is in the description. If you are interested, you can go ahead, click, take a look at Landerize, familiarize yourself with Landerize. It's super awesome, guys. It's a super awesome, fast landing page builder. Very responsive. It takes split seconds to just load your landing page, which is very important. And the best part is you own the whole landing page, because you're actually uploading your landing page into Amazon S3, which means that you will be holding the full rights of your landing page. They do integrate trackers, and they do have a normal landing page builders features, which is the drag and drop feature, and you can actually go ahead into the Landerize and create your landing page. Super winning landing page, I mean, guys, within 5 minutes, guys. It's that simple to create it. They have more than 50 templates that you can use. I hope they make it like 100 templates very soon, guys. I think in my previous video I told 1,000 templates, right? That might be a little bit of a mistake, guys. But let me just tell you that the Landerize is a special software landing page builder which was built specifically for affiliate by affiliate marketers, guys. That means the main objective Landerize was built is so that they can actually concentrate. Their target market is affiliate marketers, and therefore it was actually built by an affiliate marketer himself. That's why I personally like Landerize a lot. You can actually go ahead and take a look at Landerize. Like I told you, I have placed the link to Landerize in the description of this video. Go ahead, click on that particular link, go to the homepage of Landerize, and you might even enjoy what you are trying to see. And if you want to see more videos like this, please support us, guys. Do hit the subscribe button and the like button, as well as the bell notification, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and any of our awesome video, guys. So stay tuned, and I will be seeing you in the next video, guys. So bye bye for now.